Hello everybody, we're here at Thousand Islands Toyota. My name's Dawson and today we're going to be looking at the 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid LE all-wheel drive. So this beautiful SUV comes with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine and combined with the electric produces 243 horsepower and 975 foot-pounds of torque. This does also have a beautiful set of 18-inch alloy wheels. And does also come with the Toyota Safety Sense 2 as well. Alright, so here on the passenger side, we do have beautiful sets of premium cloth seats. Very comfortable, both heated, driver and passenger. The driver's side is 8-way power adjustable, and then we do have the manual adjustments for the passenger. The layout here is also beautiful. Really well thought of and designed. Just all works together very seamlessly. Looks very sharp. And same with the interior back. We've got the fold down armrest and cup holders. We've also got the temperature controls in the back here for both second and third row seats. We've also got some USB charging ports in the back, and you are able to fold down the seats and move them, the second rows, and you can completely fold down the third row as well. All right, so here we are at the back, and so we do have a power lift gate here, which is really nice if your hands are full. We also have a massive trunk. It is really big. So this is with the third row seats down. It's still decently large, even with the third row seats up. But as you can see, they lay pretty much flat down there. We do also have the different sets of mats for the different seasons. Third row passengers also get cup holders on both sides, which is really nice. And then we can have the second row seats fold down as well. So you can have tons of space here for essentially whatever you guys need. And then to simply close it, just have to press the button and it automatically closes. All right, so here we are on the driver's side. So I'm just gonna go over some of the key features that the Highlander offers. And if you guys have any other questions about the features or about the car in general, then we encourage you to come down to Thousand Islands Toyota and either sit in one or take one for a test drive, whichever you prefer. So right off the hop, we do have the gauges with the multi-information display in the center. As you can see on the left-hand side, that normally there is an RPM gauge there, but this has been replaced for the hybrid version of this vehicle, and basically it shows you if you're currently charging the battery, if you're in eco mode, or if you're using the power mode. So definitely a very nice, clear gauge, very easy to read, very simple. And then we do have the, like I said, the multi-information display in the center, which is controlled by the directional pad and the back button here. And you can basically just scroll over. So we have our dynamic radar cruise control. We also have the lane tracing assist. Then we've got any of our audio options, our trip distance, our Toyota Safety Sense 2 settings, so our lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring, your rear parking aid as well, any other vehicle settings that you want to manipulate, and then our seatbelt status. So this is really nice, actually. It shows every single seatbelt in the vehicle. So if you've got, a handful of children in the back, if you're a larger family, then this is really nice to have. And then we do have our Bluetooth and audio controls via the steering wheel, along with our cruise control, the lane tracing assist as well. So really nice, easy to use. We also have our auto high beams and our power lift gate in the back there. And then we've got our beautiful infotainment setup. So we've got a really nice 8-inch touchscreen here. That's also got the physical buttons on the side with the tuning knobs. This does have access to Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, AM, FM, and Sirius. So definitely a lot of options at your disposal there. And then we've got a really nice climate control system. Once again, very easy to use, very easy to read. We do have the heated seats that are located on both sides there. Some nice cubbies. This easily will hold any newer phone, so lots of space there. We do have the USB charging ports and the one for the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've also got the leather wrap shift knob, some of our different drive modes, our electric vehicle mode, our parking brake is right here, and this is really nice too. You just slide this back, you can just move this also back, and you've got a lot of space here, plus you have another power supply down there as well. Alright, so there you have it, folks. There's the 2020 Toyota Highlander Hybrid LE all-wheel drive. I think this is a awesome vehicle in general. The remodel is fantastic. I love what they've done with the outside and especially the inside. It works really, really well, and it looks really nice. And at the same time, this is the hybrid, so you get incredible fuel mileage even though you have a larger vehicle. So it's kind of a win-win, and this is 100% something that you guys should come down and check out. So come on down to 1000 Allens Toyota and let us help you find the vehicle you're looking for.